This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Mandy Powell. This stunning golf front, pool home is located on the very desirable Cypress Creek Golf and Country Club. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with den, flex space. The home features a spacious open floor plan with large windows throughout. This allows you to enjoy all the natural light and great golf course views. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining with amazing views and large covered lanai overlooking the brick paver pool area and the golf course. The owners made several upgrades to this magnificent home. The spacious gourmet eat-in kitchen features granite countertops, island, closet pantry and breakfast bar. The kitchen opens to the family room, which includes an impressive fireplace and access out to the home's large covered and screened lanai/pool. Also enjoy a pool bath for guests as they come out of the pool and spa. The first floor oversized and very private master suite includes dual sinks, garden tub with a separate shower and a substantial walk-in closet. There are 2 additional guest rooms with walk-in closets and second full bathroom. Additional features include beautiful hardwood floors throughout the formal living and all bedrooms. Also enjoy updated ceramic tile in foyer and kitchen along with a freshly painted interior. This home is conveniently located between Tampa and Sarasota, which makes it easy to enjoy wonderful restaurants, entertainment, boating, and the award-winning, beautiful beaches. This home is truly move-in ready. Bonus, Villages of Cypress Creek has no CDD and low HOA dues. Fabulous community with beautiful well-kept homes, it really is a rare find. Bring your golf clubs.